Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm here today with a couple of famous characters, CoComelon characters. This is Johnny and this is the little melon. If you watch my Buzz video, I got these the same day. They were each $1. These are fairly new toys. There's not a whole lot wrong with them as far as outside, but Johnny, he doesn't work. This little guy, he does work. CoComelon, all he needs is just to be cleaned up, and his eyes have faded, his nose and his mouth have also faded. He works really good, but he does need to be cleaned up. There ain't a whole lot on him. I see little marks like that, but clean those up maybe, hopefully. Johnny, you know, like I said, he doesn't work. He's got some marks on him. He's got some black something right there. His shoes are a little dirty. I'm hoping I can get him to work, because these toys sell for like $45 at Walmart, and I think even on Poshmark they're $40+. And I gave $1 for it. And this one I also gave $1 for, and the only thing I could see about pricing on him was at Target they're $22 and some change. So I'm hoping to clean these up, because I know it's July, but I like to think ahead, and I'm planning on making these Christmas gifts. If I can get these cleaned up, I gave 50 cents for $60 worth of toys. And I think that's phenomenal. Now, like I said, I'm going to give these as Christmas gifts. I have nothing against buying new toys. I have nothing against buying used toys. I do both all the time. But I don't see any sense in paying $60-something for these when I could get them for 50 cents. If I can get them working and looking good. Alright, let's see what we can do. I got some vinegar here. I don't know if it'll work, but we're going to try to remove the rust with it. Since I thought I had some seal oil somewhere, but I can't find it. Okay, we're back. I washed him out as good as I could. He's still rusty here, rusty there. But we figured out the problem is that when you put this in here, that spring's missing. So battery's too loose, no connection. So what I'm planning to do before Christmas is to either solder this in or replace this whole battery pack. But the quick fix to this is just a piece of foil. You see, I've laid a piece of foil in there, and I'm going to put this in here. Hello! And voila! I guess that's the redneck way. But anyway, that's the way I'm going to fix them for now and for the purposes of this video. Let's see if we can get Johnny cleaned up now. Compartment go around back in here. Yep. Surface wash only and air dry. I don't have my Fels naphtha today. I don't think I'm going to need it. He's just not dirty enough to have to do that. And of course I can't submerge him completely in water, because he is a battery operated toy, and he even on his feet here. That's still battery operated, so I can't, because I started to just do his feet in the water, because that's the mostly dirty part. But then I'm like, nope, there's buttons there too, so we're not doing that. Anyway, Like I said, he's pretty clean. I see just a little bit. His body is really clean. But you know, when you get something from the thrift store, you just want to clean it anyway. Well, I did bring out the Fels Nappa just because he's just got a little discoloration right here. It's not bad. I just want to try. It's not going to stop me from giving him as a gift if it doesn't come out, because it is very mild. But, you know, I want to get him as good as I can. So if you hadn't tried this stuff, Fels Nappa. Supposed to be F-E-L. Nappa. A little razor here. Trim his fuzzies off. And that makes him look. It wasn't too bad, but here's my little dab of water. Got quite a bit of it off. Here they are, all working and doing well. I hope y'all enjoy these before and afters. There's 3 issues that I could not do anything about as of right now. Number 1 is there is a pin mark above Johnny's eye. Number 2, the mark on CoComelon's head did not completely get covered with that green marker. And number 3 is the discoloration of Johnny's shirt. So I will be still working on a couple of those things. But they're all minor things. I'm not going to worry about it too hard. I am worried about that battery pack. I'm going to get it changed, order a spring in. But I think overall they look great. And I'm not going to worry about a little discoloration and things like that. When we have an economy that's as crazy as it is, if I can save a little money on Christmas, I'm going to do it. Okay, Coco. Okay. It shows out.